Climate-smart agriculture innovations. Hey amazing viewers! Welcome back to A.O.R.E Daily Life and Channel. Today, we're stepping into the future of farming with climate-smart agriculture innovations. With climate change threatening our food supply, these new technologies are not just exciting, they're essential. Stick around till the end, because I'll share some jaw-dropping fun facts that will completely change the way you think about farming. What is climate-smart agriculture? Climate-smart agriculture means farming in ways that increase productivity, help farmers adapt to climate change, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. It's about growing more food while protecting the planet. Fun fact: by 2050, we'll need 60% more food to feed nearly 10 billion people, and climate-smart agriculture may be the only way to achieve that. High-tech farming tools. Technology is revolutionizing farming. Drones now monitor crop health from the sky. Sensors in the soil track moisture and nutrients in real time. Artificial intelligence helps farmers decide the best time to plant, water, and harvest. These tools save water, cut costs, and increase yields. Fun fact: farmers using precision agriculture can reduce fertilizer use by up to 30%, while still growing more food. Innovative farming systems. Beyond the tools, farming systems are also changing. Hydroponics grows plants in water instead of soil, using 90% less water. Vertical farming stacks crops in layers, often inside buildings, making it possible to farm in cities. Aquaponics combines fish farming with plant growing, a win-win cycle of food production. Fun fact: a vertical farm can produce the same amount of food as a traditional farm using 99% less land. Renewable energy and climate solutions. Climate-smart farming isn't just about crops, it's also about energy. Solar-powered irrigation pumps are replacing diesel ones. Wind and biogas are being used on farms to cut emissions. Renewable energy is making farming both greener and cheaper. Fun fact: switching to solar irrigation can cut a farmer's carbon footprint by 70% compared to diesel pumps. Farmers leading the way. From smallholder farmers in Africa using mobile apps for weather forecasts, to giant vertical farms in Asia feeding millions, farmers everywhere are leading the innovation wave. Climate-smart agriculture is not a dream, it's happening now. Fun fact: in Kenya, farmers using climate-smart mobile apps have boosted their incomes by up to 70%. Climate-smart agriculture is proof that farming can be high-tech, sustainable, and exciting. Which of these innovations amazed you the most: drones, hydroponics, or vertical farms? Comment below. I'd love to know your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. In our next episode, we'll bring it home: how you can save the planet through food choices. You'll see how every meal is a chance to make a difference.